Hello my good people, my beautiful people. Hope say una dey well. You know say before you eat you go first drink water. Now see as I just dey calculate think say make I taste am first don how e go be. Oh boy, dis soup make sense. So na so I begin dey pound am o. I don start my work. Dat thing wey I sabi do well well. If you dey eat, you dey nod your head, dey select am well well. So dat you go dey gather am, dey pack am, dey throw am put inside belle. Na so I say make I ask una, you know say I no get table manner. And like dis e be, I no dey ask whether una go chop o una no go chop. Abeg, I know say una get una throat, make una allow me make I dey enjoy am alone, dey chop am, dey chop am. Ewo! De thing don dey enter to another stigi. See as I just drop am, say make I comot cloth. You feel am now. See as I wan comot cloth, na im be say thing don dey enter joromi. I say okay, make I still go back continue wetin I dey do. You see am, as I dey chop am, I dey stingy o. When it comes to food, even the one wey fall for ground, I go pick am join. Oh boy, nothing happen, nothing dey happen. As far as say na food, I dey gidigba. Okay o, I say make I still dey do my thing. As I dey do am, dey chop am, oh boy, my body come dey vibrate. I come say okay, na so dis world be. I go still dey chop am, dey force the meat, dey put am inside my mouth. I come say dis one don enter. Say make I come thank Baba God. Baba God e too much. Dis thing wey you do for me, I go keep on dey testify. I go keep on dey thank you. Life too sweet. No be everybody get food to chop o. You hear am? Some have food, but they cannot eat. See as I dey pick and dey chop, me I get food and I sabi eat.